pushing galaxies apart with a force that grows stronger as the universe grows larger. Unlike every other form of energy we know, dark energy doesn't dilute as space expands. Instead, it maintains constant density, meaning that as the universe grows, more dark energy comes into existence to fill the new space. It's as if the universe is writing itself into existence, pulling energy from some inexhaustible source that exists outside the normal rules of conservation. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of everything that exists. Everything we can see, touch, measure, and understand. Every star, every planet, every galaxy, every atom in your body represents less than 5% of reality. We are living in a universe that is almost entirely made of things we don't understand, governed by forces we can't explain, following rules we haven't discovered yet. This is the cosmic setup, the stage upon which the drama of universal endings will play out. We are not just observers of this cosmic theater. We are actors in it, patterns of ordinary matter, temporary, organized into consciousness. Fleeting arrangements of atoms that have somehow learned to contemplate their own existence within a universe that seems designed to remain forever mysterious to itself. The universe expands, but into what? The Big Bang happened, but what was there before it happened? Space and time began together. But what does it mean for time to begin? These questions don't have answers. They have deeper questions. Mysteries that reveal new mysteries. Cosmic puzzles that solve themselves by becoming more puzzling. The universe is not just expanding physically. It's expanding conceptually, growing stranger and more wonderful with every new discovery, every new theory, every new way of looking at the fundamental structures of reality. And yet, despite all these uncertainties, despite the fact that we understand less than 5% of what exists, we can still trace the future evolution of the universe with remarkable precision. We can calculate when the last star will burn out, when the last black hole will evaporate, when the last proton will decay. We can map the death of everything with the same mathematical tools that fail to explain the birth of anything. This is the greatest paradox of cosmology. We know how the story ends, but we don't know how it began. We can predict the future of the universe for trillions upon trillions of years, but we cannot explain the first trillionth of a second. The universe is simultaneously perfectly predictable and completely mysterious. A cosmic riddle that answers every question except the ones that matter most. The stage is set, the players are in position, and the drama is about to begin. But remember, you are not just watching this cosmic play unfold. You are part of it, a conscious observer whose very existence shapes the reality you're observing. The universe doesn't just contain consciousness, it might actually be consciousness, a vast mind thinking itself into existence, dreaming the dream of space and time and matter and energy that we call reality. The end of the universe isn't just a scientific prediction. It's a personal journey, a story about what happens when the only known minds in the cosmos finally close their eyes and stop dreaming. What happens to a universe when there's no one left to observe it? What happens to time when there's no one left to experience its passage? What happens to reality when there's no one left to call it real? These are the questions that will guide us through the cosmic endgame. The final chapters of The Only,